Visual processing. Have you ever wondered how our brain interprets and makes sense of visual information received through the eyes? This concept is called visual processing. Lesson highlights. What is visual processing? Key components of visual processing. What is visual processing? Visual processing is how our brain makes sense of the things we see with our eyes. It is like the brain's way of understanding and recognizing what's in front of us. It plays a crucial role in various aspects of human behavior, including learning, navigation, and interaction with the environment. Key components of visual processing. The key components of visual processing are given below. Visual reception. Visual reception is the initial stage of the visual processing system, where the eyes receive and capture visual stimuli from the surrounding environment. The eyes capture light and convert it into electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain through the optic nerves. Visual reception is the foundation of the entire visual processing system. Visual perception. Once the visual information reaches the brain, it undergoes perceptual processing. This involves the brain's interpretation of basic visual features such as color, shape, size, and motion of an object. Pattern recognition. Our brain works like super detective. It identifies and organizes visual information into meaningful patterns and objects. Pattern recognition involves the identification of regularities or similarities in data. This includes recognizing familiar faces, objects, and scenes. Pattern recognition is a fundamental mechanism for making sense of the world around us. Depth perception. Depth perception is the ability to perceive the relative distance of objects in three-dimensional space. It allows individuals to judge how far or near objects are from them and from each other. Depth perception is a complex process that involves the integration of various visual cues. The brain combines these cues to create a unified and accurate perception of the three-dimensional world. Visual attention. Visual attention is the ability to focus on specific visual stimuli while filtering out irrelevant information. That is, focusing on one thing while ignoring others. Visual attention is essential for tasks that require concentration and focus. Visual memory. Visual memory refers to the ability to store and recall visual information about objects, shapes, colors, and spatial arrangements. Visual memories can be stored in different parts of the brain. The process of recalling stored visual information from memory is called retention. Successful retrieval allows individuals to bring to mind previously seen objects, scenes, or details. Hands-on time. Memory. Look at the following scene carefully. Now, cover it with a sheet of paper and answer the given questions. 1. How many kids were playing in the park? 2. Name the objects that were visible in the sky. 3. How many trees were there? 4. Which animal was playing in the park? 5. Name the insect which was flying in the park. Visual spatial skills. Visual spatial skills refer to the ability to perceive, analyze, and interpret visual information about spatial relationships and shapes. This includes the following skills. Form recognition. It includes recognizing and distinguishing between different shapes and forms. Spatial memory. It is the ability to remember and recall spatial information, such as the layout of a room or the arrangement of objects in a specific environment. Map reading and navigation. It is the ability to understand and interpret maps, including reading symbols, understanding scale, knowing about directions. Puzzle solving. It is the ability to solve jigsaw puzzles or three-dimensional puzzles. Mathematics and geometry. Visual spatial skills are important in understanding geometric concepts, spatial relationships in mathematical problems, and interpreting graphs and charts. Activity window. Interdisciplinary, social science. Draw a map of your neighborhood. Show your home in the center and draw the places which are in different directions, east, west, north, south, of your home. Mirror images. A mirror image is the reversed or flipped copy of an object or scene. When you look at yourself in a mirror, The image you see is mirror image of your actual appearance. In a mirror image, left and right are swapped, but up and down remain the same. Original image. Mirror image. Teacher's guide. Introduce the term visual processing to the student. Show examples of patterns and ask students to identify them. Use fun activities to explain depth perception. For instance, ask students to arrange objects from the closest to the farthest. Use a simple game where students have to find specific items in a picture to demonstrate the concept of visual attention. Use activities that involve visual spatial skills such as drawing maps. Conduct hands-on activities such as simple art projects, puzzles, or visual games to reinforce the concepts of visual processing. Share real-world examples of visual processing, such as how traffic lights use colors to convey information or how road signs use symbols for quick recognition. Quick recap. Visual processing is how our brains make sense of the things we see with our eyes. Visual processing involves visual reception, visual perception, pattern recognition, depth perception, visual attention, visual memory, and visual spatial skills. Visual reception is the initial stage of the visual processing system, where the eyes receive and capture visual stimuli from the surrounding environment. The knowledge vault. Parts of human brain. Cerebrum, largest part, controls thinking, memory, emotions, and voluntary movements. Cerebellum controls balance, coordination, and fine movements. Brainstem connects brain to spinal cord, controls breathing, heartbeat, and basic body functions. Hypothalamus regulates body temperature, hunger, thirst, and emotions. Acts as a relay station, sending sensory information to the cerebrum.